Hello friends, today we are going to look at how to install a top rack on a TVS Jupiter 110 scooter. First, open the back seat of the scooter and remove all the bolts from it. Remove the entire back seat and remove all the screws on the back. Then remove the bolts on both the right and left sides. After removing the bolts on both sides, remove the handlebar on the back. Then install the Toprack made by HD Exhaust Company. Check that the tap rack is in the correct place. Then tight the bold top rack given in the HT Exhaust Company. Tight the bolted tap rack provided by HT Exhaust Company on both sides. Then replace the screws that were removed on both sides. Then, put the scooter's back seat back in the same way we removed it and tight the bolts. That's it. We successfully installed the top rack on our TVS Jupiter scooter with the help of our HD exhaust helmet.